Hello guys, and this is Twin Collector here with another video, and we are going to do it on this Angry Birds toy. I got it from Pukekohe Plaza from the time zone, and yeah, so I'll just open it up and I'll be with you shortly, so bye. Okay, so now we got a piggy rubber, and it says Angry Birds 2009 to 2012 Revio Entertainment Ltd. It might be backwards, sorry about that. Okay. So got that. We got the two shells. We got all you can collect, 20 to collect. You can collect King Pig, Red Bird, Big Red Bird, and White Bird, and Yellow Bird, and Grandpa Pig, and Army Pig, and Blue Bird, and Red Bird, and Red Bird with a Grandpa Pig, Blue Bird, White Bird, Green Bird, Pig, Red Bird, Chubby Bird, King Bird, Pig, Yellow Bird, and Pig, and Green Bird. So those are all you can get. And there are 20 to collect. You can get them from Pukekohe Plaza and get it from the time zone. And the best things about these, you can flatten these rubbers, but it might scratch it like that, or show off white bits like. So it will show off white bits, so like this. So that was my quick review about my Angry Bird toy that I got from Pukekohe, the Plaza, from the time zone. So anyways, please subscribe to this video and press the like button, of course, and let me know if you want me to do anything else. And if you look at my other my trash pack video, you'll see the sky inside the slime. So yeah, so bye.